Hey guys, how you guys doing today? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Camera Reaction. How are you guys doing today? So, I will be doing another reaction video to the group Ciencio. And this is the song Tan Enamoradas live. I don't think I've heard this live version that they did. So I'm curious to see what the guys are going to be giving me. And as always, I can't wait to see you soon in Miami. So let's see what they're going to be giving me. The vocals. Come on, Eric.
Quizá te pueda preguntar qué le hace falta a esta noche blanca. A nuestra vida que han vivido tanto, que han visto mil colores, te llaman, te sea. Y cuando llueve, te gusta caminar.
Love his voice.
Abrazándome sin prisa aunque te mojes. Amor mío, lo nuestro es como es.
Come on, Zabdiel.
No le hace falta nada. Estoy tan enamorada.
Joe.
Que la noche dura un poco más. El grito de una ciudad.
Come on, Chris.
En nuestras caras la humedad. Y tiene compañía.
Richard.
Más allá de la vida. Y yo te juro que arriba te amaré más. La mañana nos traerá a un canto nuevo de paros alegres.
Come on.
Amor mío, así es la vida juntos. Estoy loco de repente, sonriéndole a la gente que nos ve pasar. Tan enamorado, tan enamorado,
Come on.
que la noche dure.
Hey, hey.
Como más, viajar a tu lado en el tren. Un sueño difícil de creer. Poco a poco en la playa, boca a boca despacio, aliento y suspiros tibios al anochecer.
That was a nice mix. Hey! Oh, I was living for that Zabdiel. Oh my God. Hey.
La noche dura un poco más, viajar a tu lado.
Come on, Chris, hit that note.
Un sueño difícil de creer. Quizás te pueda preguntar qué le hace falta a esta noche blanca.
Come on, Richard, that ending vocals. Boy, you better damn sing that vocals. That Deja Vu album was amazing. Was amazing. That was Ciencio live. I can't wait to see them in Miami soon. God, I want to say thanks to the ones who gave, basically who brought this group to my channel. So I really do appreciate it. Whatever you want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section and get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys. Bye.